Wait, just 1 second. If you can understand my English right now, your English is already better than you think. The real problem is not vocabulary. It's not grammar. It's fear. Fear of your own voice. Let me tell you a story. For a long time, I lived with a strange contradiction. I could understand English almost perfectly. Movies without subtitles. Podcasts while walking. Interviews playing in the background while working. English was everywhere in my life. But when someone said, "Can you speak English?" my chest felt tight. I knew the words. I knew the meaning. But my mouth felt heavy. My voice felt trapped. I translated every sentence in my head before speaking, and by the time I was ready, the moment was gone. So I smiled. I nodded. I stayed quiet. Silence slowly became my safe place. I told myself lies. I'm shy. My accent is bad. I'll speak when I'm ready. But deep inside, I knew the truth. I wasn't waiting to be ready. I was waiting to be perfect. One evening, I joined an online English discussion room. Not to speak, just to listen. As always, during that session, a man spoke confidently. His grammar wasn't perfect. His accent wasn't native. But his voice didn't shake. He didn't pause to think. He didn't apologize for mistakes. He just spoke. After the session, I messaged him. "How do you speak so smoothly?" He replied with a short sentence. "I trained my mouth, not my mind." Then he sent one word, shadowing. At first, I ignored it. I thought it was another internet trick. But that night, curiosity won. I searched for it. I read about it. And the idea scared me. Speaking with a native speaker? At the same time? Without stopping? It sounded uncomfortable. And that's exactly why I tried it. The next morning, I played a short English audio. Slow speed. Clear voice. I pressed play and failed instantly. I missed words. My tongue twisted. I felt stupid speaking to my wall. After 30 seconds, I wanted to stop. My mind said, "You sound terrible." My fear said, "This is embarrassing." But something inside whispered, "Continue." So I did. For 5 minutes. My throat felt dry. My brain felt tired. But something felt different. For the first time, I wasn't thinking about grammar. I wasn't translating. I wasn't judging. I was just chasing the sound. That night, something strange happened. While watching a video, I whispered English sentences automatically. Without planning. Without fear. The next day, I practiced again. Still bad. Still messy. But less painful. After 1 week, I noticed something small but powerful. When I listened to English, my mouth wanted to move. After 2 weeks, my inner translation voice became quieter. After 1 month, it disappeared. English stopped going through my native language first. It came directly. Raw. Imperfect. Alive. Then real life tested me. One day, someone spoke to me in English unexpectedly. No preparation. No time. And I replied. Not perfectly. Not beautifully. But confidently. And confidence changes everything. People don't remember your mistakes. They remember how you made them feel. Shadowing didn't make me fluent overnight. It made me brave. And bravery creates fluency. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your mouth is a muscle. Your ears are a guide. Your brain is just a helper. When you shadow, you are training timing, rhythm, and emotion, not just words. You learn when to pause, when to stress, when to breathe. You stop sounding like a textbook. You start sounding like a human. There were days I felt tired. Days I skipped practice. Days I doubted myself. But every time I returned, my voice felt a little stronger. 10 minutes a day changed my relationship with English. I stopped fearing conversations. I stopped hiding behind silence. I stopped waiting for perfection. If you understand English but can't speak, listen carefully. You are not bad at English. You are just unused to your own voice. Shadowing gives your voice permission to exist. Start small. One audio. 1 minute. One imperfect sentence. Speak with it, even if your voice shakes. Because fluency is not built in silence. Fluency is built in sound, repetition, and courage. Now tell me, did you understand this story? If yes, comment yes. If this story felt like your own life, comment real. And if you want part 2, how shadowing changed my confidence, my relationships, and the way people listen to me, follow me. Your English is not far away. It's already inside you. You just need to let it speak. Thank you for listening.